And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. AAA action coming at you on the show. First pitch coming your way next. Just about set to go now. And today's starting pitcher, number 43. But Chris, he hasn't exactly been stellar here on his home mound.
Well, I'll say this. Every player wants to perform well at their home ballpark, in front of their fans, in front of the city. And you know this guy no different. He wants to be more effective here. So, you look at the numbers. They haven't been great at home. I'm sure he wants to turn that around, and we'll see if he's able to start that in this one.
Now a bullet to second base, but he's got it to end the inning. End of a half inning of play. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. Runner at first with 2 away. So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1 so far. Slow ground ball to the right side. He'll do it himself, and the inning is over. So it's no runs on no hits, no errors. All set for the top of the 6th. Now it's the DH, Catfish Brown. And a pitch. Good eye right there.
This group of hitters definitely being aggressive at the plate, but I think it's fair to wonder if they're being a little over-aggressive. One thing that stands out looking over the numbers is the amount of outs they have on the first pitch of the at-bat. They've given away too many at-bats with easy outs.
Next offering is in for a strike.
I'd really like to see him make an adjustment. Get more patient and start waiting for that right pitch. Not just the first pitch. I think that could make a big difference in this one.
On the ground, Vogelback tosses to the pitcher covering the bag. Leadoff man retired in the 6th. Man at first, next to hit, Catfish Brown.
Have a rip at it up there, huh?
Edge of the zone for a strike. 0-1. And he's down 0-2 as he swings through it.
Quickly in an 0-2 count, you've got to figure out a way to shorten your path to the baseball. Put it in play somewhere, then you got a chance.
Nobody out, runner at first. Pitch misses outside. And a count 1-2. Righty delivers. Got him swinging. Had him out front for strike 3. 10-1 the final score. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew, I'm John Shaw. Welcome to Majestic Green Stadium. Opening day baseball on the show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Syracuse Mets. First pitch coming at you right after the break. Just about set to go now. And on the mound today, a guy who will give them innings. Jose Quintana. What do you have on him?
Yeah, his ERA last year was a little worse than average, so definitely be looking for better results this season. One of the keys is just being able to have a consistent delivery and to be able to repeat that delivery so you can hit the spots that you want to hit and have a higher chance of being successful.
Line drive, base hit.
Showed a willingness to drive that pitch the opposite way. Didn't get jumpy, didn't try to pull the ball. He let it get deep, took the barrel right to it, and then extended through the swing for the line drive base hit.
Brown off of first with 2 away. Now snap throw to first. And he's out. And they got him. That ends the inning. No runs, 1 hit, no errors, and no one left. So it's on to the bottom. So here's Brown at the plate. Single to right at his first trip.
Oh, Big Don, right here, one time.
In the air, out towards left center. Tracks it down for the out. And that is that. They leave him low. So now here's the DH. Catfish Brown, 1 for 2.
As a pitcher, you know the runner on second is ready to push things with his speed. A base hit's probably going to be a big run, so you really have to execute on the mound.
Swing, and he popped it up. That is the inning. No runs, 1 hit, no errors, and a man left. Home half of the 5th coming. Next is the designated hitter, Catfish Brown, 1 for 3.
Here we go, kid. Here we go.
Fly ball down the line. Clifford settles underneath it and makes the grab. And there's 2 down. Two outs, nobody on. Next is the DH, a switch hitter, Catfish Brown. Towards first, Vientos. The flip to the pitcher covering. That's the 3rd out. A couple of runs in the inning puts them ahead. On now to the bottom of inning number 9.
Well, all game these guys had to battle with that 10th man. Those fans making a lot of noise, but they took the lead in the 9th inning, quieted things down, and were able to get those final 3 outs.
Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining us. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Syracuse Mets. All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this. Just about set to go. Our starter in this one, number 19.
Well, that 12-6 curveball explodes out of the hand, and because he's able to throw the high fastball at the top of the strike zone for a strike, hitters commit to that pitch, and before they know it, they're swinging over the top of that curveball.
Quincy Hamilton in the box here lets that one go for a ball. Next offering is fouled back. And a pitch. This to third. Throws across the diamond. One gone, bottom half of the 1st. Now the number 2 hitter, Luis Angel Acuna. And first offering is fouled off. One down, base is empty. Here's a swing and a drive left field, and he knew it.
Well, I'm sure there's a big grin on his face right now, Boog. He's probably had some of those that didn't stay fair, but off the bat, it looked like it was going to bend foul. Was able to keep it in there, tucked it nicely, and he gets the jog around the bases. Good for him.
David Dahl in the box now. No balls and a strike. Good power, not great in the OBP department. And there's a foul ball.
Part of the order coming through now, and with 1 home run already in this inning, they're definitely looking to do some more damage.
The 0-2.
Ball.
Come on, guys.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
That misses off the outside edge.
It's a good take.
Popped up, foul territory behind the plate.
I got it.
Wells snags it for the 2nd out. 2 outs, base is empty. Now it's going to be Mark Vientos. And first offering is fouled off. 2 down, nobody on. Fouled off left side. Now fly ball to right center. Jones sizing this one up. No trouble here. Puts it away for the out. And pick up a run of the bottom of the second. Now the left fielder, Ryan Clifford.
The left fielder, Ryan Clifford.
The wide to kick the pitch. In there at the knees. That misses the zone. It's a ball and 2 strikes. Battling here as he fouls it away.
Hey, come on, big guy. Get him yourself right here.
Swing and a ball popped up. Sweeney on the run. Throw to first. 1 up, 1 down.
Batting fifth. The catcher.
Here's the catcher to hit. Connor Wong. Collected 3 hits in the loss yesterday. Swing and a miss. 0-1. They say you win.
No ball, 2 strikes.
Hey, strike him out here.
That misses the zone. Now 1 and 2. Next offering popped in the air, right field. Hauls it in, and there's 2 away.
Batting seventh. The shortstop.
2 outs, base is empty. And now Ronnie Mauricio. That's a strike, and it's 0-1. And there's a breaking ball that drops in there. Swing and a miss, and he got him. And good work there as he gets a 1-2-3. 3 up, 3 down for him there. We played 2 full. The Mets out front here, 1-0. Bottom of the inning. Here's the third baseman, number 18.
The third baseman. Jacob.
And a pitch. And that's through there for a strike.
Well, in an 0-0 count, not every strike is a good strike for a hitter. I like the plate discipline there.
Oh, and 2 now. Bounced up the middle. Sends it to first. Leadoff hitter gone in the third. Here's the center fielder, Alex
The
Ramirez.
center fielder, Alex.
Ramirez patrolling center field, hitting 9th in today's lineup. And he was born in the Dominican Republic. First pitch, and that's in for a strike.
Plays that one now.
Pop foul out of play off to the right. And now 1 and 2. Tied up here in the early going. And that one is lifted in the air. Fair ball.
Well, he found himself behind in the count right there, but he didn't give in. When you pop a ball up like that, you don't expect it to get you a knock too often, but right there, somehow he got it to drop in behind first base, and that's where no one could get to it. And now a chance to maybe get creative on offense with good speed on first.
Comes up empty on the swing. 0-2 now. And that's outside.
2 strikes.
Ramirez leads off first with 1 away. Right back to the mound. Could be an easy 2. And that's an out.
The batter number 14. Second baseman. Luis
So 2 down now. And here is Luis Angel Acuna. He's already homered in this game.
Hey, come on, guys, let's go.
And that's in there for strike 1.
Well, we call that keyholing. Even though it's right there and looks pretty good, if he doesn't love it, he's not going to swing that early in the count.
The 0-2. And that just misses.
Well, that's kind of what you expect in an 0-2 count. Excellent job of the hitter to have the plate discipline to lay off of that pitch.
Next one misses. 2-2. Kicks and deals. Still 2-2 after the foul ball. And a swing and a miss. That's the 3rd out. Inning over.
A lot of adrenaline. We can see it right there. And sometimes you just got to let it out. That's an outstanding job of taking that, executing, and getting.
Welcome back. Ready to go. Bottom 4. And now the right fielder, David Dahl.
David Dahl.
Brown back to work. And ball 1.
Hey, plays it first. Plays it first.
Check swing. He went. And the count 1-1.
Hey, no outs here.
And another ball. Swing and a ball hit out towards left center field. Sweeney makes the play, and there's 1 down. And now it's Mark Vientos. Flied out his first time. Here's a high fly ball out to center. Lockridge settles underneath it and puts the squeeze on it. That's out number 2. Ryan Clifford now at the plate. He's 0 for 1. In there for strike 1.
Man, this guy's got a great feel for his breaking ball today.
Next offering is in for a strike.
Love how vocal the umpire is today. No doubt in the hitter's mind, catcher's mind, and even the pitcher's mind as to the conviction in the call. Really great change of speeds. He goes off the off speed to the fastball, and the hitter doesn't know what's coming next.
That one misses. It's a ball and 2 strikes.
0-2 curve right there. Hitter kind of expects that, and good job of just showing that confidence and trying to get back into this count.
Got him swinging. Nothing doing for the offense that time. On to the top of the 5th we go. All tied 1. We head to the bottom of the 5th. Here's the catcher, Connor Wong.
The catcher, Connor Wong.
The pitch. Comebacker to the mound. And it gets by him.
Didn't take long to get a result for that at bat. That pretty much split the zone down the middle, and those are the ones where you got to make them pay. And now let's see if they force some action with good wheels on the bases.
Mauricio can't hold up, and that's a strike.
Struck out on just 3 pitches last time. with 2 strikes. May see some movement over there at first base. Try to stay out of a double play here.
And that's off the inside edge. 1-2 to count. And just misses with that one.
That's a really good take.
2-2 now. Gets a piece and stays alive. Kicks and fires. Stays alive. The pitch. To first, maybe a 2-ball. Fires to second for 1. On to first, double play.
For me, that's one of the toughest double plays to turn on the infield. The first baseman has to get inside, create a throwing lane to hit that middle infielder to start the double play, and then from there completing it back to first. Really good job all the way around.
Number 18 will hit next. Grounded out to short in his first trip. In there, and it's 0-1.
Hey, 2 away now, 2 away.
Here comes a pitch. And 1-2.
2 strikes.
Liner to second and picked on the hop. Tosses to first, and that is the inning. 1 hit in the inning, but no one left. 5 innings complete. All tied 1-1. Bottom of the 6th inning, and now the center fielder, Alex Ramirez. The pitch. Fastball for a strike. 0-1.
Well, these guys just aren't putting great swings on the baseball in this one. Just 1 extra base hit for them, so they haven't exactly been hitting the ball gap to gap or out of the park. That makes it really difficult to generate runs.
Swing and a miss, struck him out. So the lineup flips over, and now Quincy Hamilton.
This game has been so tight, feels like the next team to score will win it.
1 out. You got 1.
Left-hand batter waits. And that one is lifted in the air. Makes the catch. Out number 2. Luis Angel Acuna digs in now. 1 for 2 with a solo home run back in the 1st inning. Swings through that one. 0-1. Acuna measures 5 feet 8 inches, 22 years old, and he was born in Venezuela. Late with the swing there.
2 strikes.
Hey, get him yourself right here.
That one just misses.
Hey, we got 2. 2 down.
The wind and the pitch. Swing and a miss. Had him way out front of the slur. So no runs, no hits, no errors, and no one left. We're through 6 full. All tied 1-1. Set for the last half of the 7th. Now it's the right fielder, David Dahl. Brown back to work. And the pitch is in for a strike. It's 0-1. This one high in the air to left center. And there's one down.
The batter, the first baseman.
And here's the first baseman, Mark Vientos. And he swings and misses at the initial offering. Looked like it was a little bit up.
Here we go.
1-1 is fouled off. Here's a 1-2. And now 2-2. In the air, fairly deep to right field. Jones makes the catch. And there are 2 down.
Now batting, left fielder, Ryan.
Here's the left fielder, Ryan Clifford.
Hey, two away, two away.
And first offering is fouled off. The wind to the pitch. That one the other way. Gets him easily, ends the inning. So they go quietly there. We look ahead to inning number 8. All tied 1-1. Back now, new pitcher on the mound as we roll into the bottom of the 8th, number 80.
Number 80.
Well, this is a big win on the road and going extras into 10. So hard to pull those out, but I think this team did a great job of keeping the crowd out of the ball game late. When you can do that, it kind of calms everything down, keeps the adrenaline of the opposing team down a bit, and you can steal a win and get out of here happy.
And your final score here today, 2-1. A 1-run extra inning win for Chris Singleton and our entire crew here at MLB The Show.